Hi smart contract maxis, welcome back to yet another so exciting tutorial. In the previous video we build a foundry project, and inside that foundry project we learned how to verify smart contract on chain, and I explained there why it is important to verify your smart contract on chain. And in this video we are going to uh, deploy the same smart contract but using RemixIDE. And in this RemixIDE I will show you uh, how to verify your smart contract right there on Rootstock test network. So let's get started. Before going ahead, if you want to learn more about Rootstock, you can go to rootstock.io. Here we are already on rootstock.io, and you can go here into build section and develop. Here you will find the docs, all the developer docs you need to know as a developer or the builder on Rootstock network. And we are going to use the Metamask wallet. So make sure you have added the MetaMask in your MetaMask, added the Rootstock test network and main network. To add, here you will find the docs and advanced search. Here you can find search Metamask, and here you will find configure Metamask wallet on Rootstock. And there you will get you will see two buttons: add Rootstock mainnet and add Rootstock testnet to Metamask. By clicking this button you can add this. I already added. Also we are going to deploy this smart contracts, so you need to have some faucets in your wallet or in your account. To get this, go to faucet.rootstock.io and copy your public key or the wallet address and paste it here. And check this: I'm not robot, and I'm not indeed a robot, and click here get RBTC. I yesterday got this. I received some faucets, so I will get after a while. So that's it. So without further ado, let's get started and start building our smart contract. The same smart contract we are going to use just that we deployed yesterday using Foundry, and I showed you there how you can verify your smart contract using Block Scout API key in your Foundry project. And the same step we are going to same contract we are going to use, but using RemixIDE. I will show you right there how you can verify your smart contract on Rootstock test network. So let's get started. For that, go to remix.ethereum.org. Remix is online IDE for developers, especially smart contract developers, to create, to build, and to test and deploy smart contract. So let's start, and let's start with new workplace. Create a blank space from here, and let's name it RSK. That's it. And now here, create a new file. um, Simple token dot sol. It's toke. I forget. Maybe that's my mistake. Simple token. And let's start writing our smart contract. Pragma Solidity version 0.8.20. This is the same smart contract version we are going to use that we used yesterday. And now here let's start writing smart contract simple token. And now let's declare the various state variables. String public name of our smart contract, let's say simple token. Copy it from here. This is the same name we are going to use, and the symbol is string public. Symbol is SMP. And we have to declare total supply, right? I hope you remember. If you don't remember, make sure to watch my previous video. Total supply is equal to we are not going to initialize. And to track balances, mapping. So I'm hitting the tab, the same contract, the same mapping address to event and public balances. Let's initialize our constructor, and we are going to take parameter of the initial supply. Thanks to Copilot, that's the wrong thing. We have to make it share, and inside that constructor, the total supply we are initializing it as equal to initial supply. And that's it. And now balances the copied from here the state variable and the paste balances of message dot sender is equal to initial supply. Sit. Let's format the docs, format the code, and now let's write our first transfer function. Function transfer the true or false value, and let's add a condition. Require balances of message dot sender is greater than or is equal to the amount copied from here, otherwise it will throw an error insufficient balance. That's it. Now let's add another condition. The address of the 2 is if not is equal to if like this, then we will revert invalid recipient. Now balances of message dot sender minus or equal to the amount, right? And let's add balances of 2 plus is equal to amount. Let's format it, and we forgot to return because it is giving us warning. Let's return, and that's it. Our function is ready. Let's write our second function. It is very simple. Function balance of, and this is the view function. So let's add the address here, address of the account or the owner account, make it public view, trans 70 to 56, because we are going to use the amount that account holding. And now return balances. That's the mapping of the account, and that's it. Our smart contract is ready. Now let's format again and let's compile our smart contract. By the way, I have checked here auto compile. If you don't have, you can check here, or if you don't check, it's okay, just compile, and if you see the green tick here, the compilation is successful. And now we are going to deploy it on Rootstock test network. So make sure you have the testnet faucets in your account, and now go here, the deploy and run transactions. From there you have to select injected provider as a Metamask, and you will see your contract your wallet address in your wallet. The testnet is connected to the remix, and your wallet is connected to the remix, and the same address you will find here, the B9 and B9, it will show here. And now we have to give initial supply, because in our constructor we are taking parameters as a we're taking parameters as a initial supply, and let's say we are giving away the 1 million token, and let's hit deploy, and your MetaMask will pop up. Let's wait for some time, and your contract will be deployed on Rootstock test network, and you will see the custom chain ID, the 2031 network, and your contract is pending, simple token is pending. Let's wait for some time, and it will be deployed on Rootstock test network. Let's wait some time, and you will see your deployed contract here very soon, and you can see transaction recorded. And let's wait. Maybe it's my network connection problem, or there is some traffic on Rootstock network, the conjunction, and creation of pending. By the way, you can see here the inside the activity, the contract deployment is pending. Metamask. Let's wait, and there we go. You can see the green tick here, view on block scout, and you can see here by clicking this link our contract is deployed. Let's wait for transaction details. This is testnet transactions only, and on the Rootstock test network our contract is deployed 37 seconds ago, and this is our wallet address, and this is our contract address that we have created. So let's go back, and here you can see deployed contracts 1, and our all the functions, the transfer, which is the write function, the transfer function, balance of, which is the our read function, and the balances, which is our mapping, the name, and you will see simple token name, the symbol SMP, and the total supply is this much, 1 million, and address transfer, and the balance of, let's copy our contract address, wallet address, and let's view the balance of, try interacting and the call, and it will return us this the total supply we initialize while deploying the contract. So that's all. Now the main goal of this video is to show you how you can verify it on chain. So if you see here our contract is not verified. If you go here and you can see, then there is no the green check mark here, like this. Yesterday I showed you how when you verified your smart contract there will be a green check mark. So how you can verify your smart contract? For that, let's go here, your plugin manager. If you will find this right in your left corner, and from there you can search contract verification, and you have to activate this plugin. And now you have to go contract verification plugin that you activated, and let's wait for some time. Maybe it is taking time. Plugin info, you can see all the plugin info maintained by Remix, documentation and description, and that's it. Let's go again here, the simple token. Let's wait for some time to, I think there is a problem. Let's deactivate again and activate contract verification, activate, and let's go here. Let's reload this, maybe my network problem. And now you can see, let's redeploy our smart contract because I verified, sorry, I reloaded our contract. When you reload this, it will go, and you have to start over again. So let's compile again, and let's injected provider, custom network is the same, and let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6, the deploy, and the deployment is pending. Let's confirm this, and let's cut this, configure Metamask, and let's wait for some time, and you can go and check this here. You can speed up and save the gas. And now let's wait. There we go, our contract is verified. Now you can see all the functions, the same functions we have here, and copy the contract address, go to contract verification, plugin you recently activated, and from here you will find the interface like this. Let's expand this one, and you will verify recipient lookup and setting. The chain, you will find the chain section here, and from there you have to search for the Rootstock, the Rootstock mainnet and Rootstock testnet. So we are currently on Rootstock testnet. We deployed our smart contract. So select this one, and the contract address copy from here, and I already copied. You will find here as well, and if you go here, the deployed section, you will find the contract address from there as well. So copy it here from here, and the contract name is simple token, and initial supply, we have to pass the same initial supply we given. And now deployed contract is behind the proxy. If it is, then you have to check. If it is not, then you have to uncheck this. And now which here we have to verify. There are more verifiers like Sourcify, but currently Sourcify is not supporting support for Rootstock test network and Etherscan. where you have to um, copy and paste API keys, but we are not going to verify there. We are going to verify on Block Scout. So check it, Block Scout, and click here on verify. So you will see uh, our contract is verified, and copy the URL and go to new tab, paste it here. Now you will see our contract is indeed verified or not. Now there we go. Our contract source code is verified, the exact match. The contract name is simple token, compiler version, EVM version default, which is and verified at this date or the time, and the contract path file token dot simple token dot sol, and you will see entire source code is available. Isn't it amazing? So this is very simple as it is, and I will show you how to interact with this smart contract just like yesterday. There are all functions. You can see the read and write functions. So let's start reading the balances of let's copy our address, and it takes parameter. So paste your wallet address and try to read this contract. This is the initial supply we have given in our constructor. If you go here, so you will find all functions are available here. So that's it, how it is simple, and our contract is verified. This is very simple. It is to verify smart contract on Rootstock test network using Remix. So make sure you adding this contract verification plugin to your RemixIDE and enjoy. And let us know in comment what type of tutorial you would like to see, whether it's DeFi or any kind of audio you are trying to build, and we are super excited to see what you are building on Rootstock test network. And I will come back with another extra exciting tutorial. Till then, bye bye, see you.